Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly get started with the process of translating your mobile app using Localize. If you haven't already, create a mobile app project. I've already created one for this video. On the Getting Started page, you'll see instructions on how to get started. For mobile app projects, we typically recommend that you get a quick start by manually importing a source data file using the Localize dashboard. Then export your translations to plug back into your mobile app. First, we'll import some source language phrases. Navigate to the Import tab on the File Import Export page. Drag and drop a file into the Import panel or browse for a file to upload. Select the appropriate file format from the drop-down. Select the language of the phrases that you are importing. Select the import type. When ready, click Submit. You'll see an on-screen message as the file is imported. After the file has been successfully imported, you'll see a summary screen about the import. If there was an error when importing, a message will be displayed informing you of the problem. Since we are in a mobile app project, the imported phrases have been automatically moved to the Publish bin. We have machine translations enabled in our project, so translations have already been generated. To export the translations, navigate to the Export tab on the File Import Export page. Select the appropriate file format from the drop-down. Select the language of the phrases that you are exporting. Select Publish Translations from the Filter Phrases By drop-down. Select the export type. When ready, click Export. You'll see a pop-up dialog stating that your download will start momentarily. You can close this dialog at any time. And here we see the exported file with the translated content. The next step would be for you to copy this file into your mobile app and test it. Manually importing and exporting files is a great way to get started when using a files-based approach in Localize. When you are ready, you can automate your imports and exports by using the Localize CLI. See our developer docs for instructions on setting up the CLI.